Okay, Fred, this one's for you. Thanks for asking. They're still coming out pretty good. The ones I put directly in the water are doing better than the ones I put into the dirt. Will I get any root action? Probably not. I'm not getting my hopes up, but it's fun to see how long they'll last. I mean, if even the ones that maybe have blooms, they're really pretty flowers, if I have a bunch of branches, knowing the tree gets bigger, they might make for a nice table assortment, and they smell really good too. The scent of these flowers are really strong. And the ones in the front yard, they're not very many, if you saw the other video, but it's the first year I've had successful blooms, so I don't see any rooting action. If they do, I will certainly update. And I pulled one of these out yesterday, and I don't see anything on there, but who knows. They say when you get woody cuttings, you have a lot less success rate, but even if one did it, that'd be cool. But also, I've got a few of these I've taken off and put in dirt. I put in dirt, and I have them to see if they would root. I've seen people root stuff like just a leaf. I've seen a couple of videos like that, but I have not had any success myself. Now, last year I did have one to pop up under the tree. I guess that would be a pup or a runner or whatever. And when I moved it, and I guess I didn't keep it watered enough and it died. But, you know, as far as the reproductive actions on these trees, I'm just now getting to the point where I can do things, I think. So I'm expecting this year more little trees that pop up from the bottom. I've heard that's kind of an occurrence that happens with these, like other trees. Suckers, that's what they are. So, look how pretty these are, though. Dark green. So, there you go. Thanks for asking. And, yeah, keep in touch.